Welcome to Meditation World. This is your space for calm, clarity, and inner peace. Right now, you don't need to be anywhere else. You don't need to become anything more. This moment is enough. Find a comfortable position, one where your body can truly relax. Let your hands rest gently. Allow your shoulders to soften, and when you feel ready, slowly close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and gently let it go. Again, breathe in calm and breathe out the weight you've been carrying. You've been strong for a long time. You've held responsibilities, emotions, expectations. For these few minutes, you are allowed to put everything down. Let your forehead soften. Let your eyes rest. Unclench your jaw. Release the tension you didn't even realize you were holding. There is no rush here, no pressure, no need to perform. You are safe in this moment. Feel your breath moving in and out of your body, like soft waves on a quiet shore. Nothing forced, nothing rushed, just natural, gentle movement. If your thoughts wander, that's okay. It means you are human. When you notice your mind drifting, guide it back to your breath as kindly as you would guide a child. No judgment, no frustration, only patience. Notice how your body feels right now. Maybe there is warmth. Maybe there is heaviness. Maybe there is stillness. Whatever you feel, allow it to be. You don't need to fix yourself. You don't need to change anything. You are already enough, just as you are. With every breath, feel your body becoming a little softer, a little lighter. Let the chair, the floor, or the bed support you. You don't have to hold yourself up anymore. The world can wait. Your to-do list can wait. Right now, this peaceful space belongs to you. Thoughts may come, memories may surface, feelings may rise. You don't have to push them away. You don't have to hold on to them either. Simply watch them pass, like clouds drifting across an open sky. Behind every cloud, the sky remains calm and wide. You are not your thoughts. You are the quiet awareness that notices them. Allow yourself to sink deeper into stillness, into that gentle silence inside you that has always been there. With each breath, your heart feels a little softer. Your mind feels a little clearer. Your body feels a little more at ease. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to slow down. You are allowed to feel peace. Stay with your breath for a few more moments. Inhale and exhale. Feel the space between each breath, the quiet pause, the stillness. This is where calm lives. This is where you return to yourself. Let this peaceful feeling spread through your chest, your arms, your legs, your entire body. You don't need to hold on to anything. Just breathe. Just be. When you're ready, begin to gently notice the space around you, the air on your skin, the sounds in the distance. Take one final, slow breath in and softly let it go. And when it feels right, open your eyes. Thank you for giving yourself this time. Thank you for choosing peace. You are always welcome here at Meditation World.